Hey guys, what's up? It's Bong from ProGaming.com, and we are here at the Razer booth. I'm talking with Hilmer, and we're checking out Project Fiona, their brand new mobile gaming tablet. So, Hilmer, tell me about this badass mobile tablet.
All right, this is the concept device that we're showing this year at CES. In a single line, this is the only tablet in the world designed specifically for PC gaming. Now, what that means is that it's running Windows 7 right now, this concept. And there are three things that are really important about what we want to show here. First is the performance of this tablet. It's running a Core i7 third generation Intel processor, the Ivy Bridge, which lets you run full-fledged PC games. The second thing is the user interface that we created. Now, if you only take the tablet that's kind of between these controllers, it's a standard tablet, lets you do everything you can do with normal tablets, but we integrated these dual controllers on each side of it, and they're based off PC gamepads. So it's really intuitive, and it lets you control games in much more depth as just by touch, as you would for like Plants vs. Zombies, games like that. Okay. And what this interface also does is, combined with the touch and the accelerometers, and these controllers, we could think of game developers actually developing for this specific user interface. So right now, if you launch a PC game, it's not going to have any touch support, right, because it's designed for the PC, for the mouse and keyboard, and obviously for the gamepad, which we're using here. But in the future, what would be really awesome to see, and what we're going for, is that developers are actually developing for integrated accelerometers or the touch aspect of it. So that's really cool. And the third thing is the immersive gaming experience. We have force feedback in here, which really gives you that kind of intense gaming experience right there in your hands and right there in your face, when the whole screen is kind of wiggling when you're playing, when you're shooting. It also has Dolby Home Theater version 4. And it's going to be the first tablet in the world that's going to be certified by THX. So that's the most important aspects of this tablet. I'm going to just jump right into a game and let you play a game.
You go ahead and play. I'm not good at Space Marine.
We're just going to jump into a campaign here. So it's really kind of intuitive. You run around, you shoot with the trigger here. You have full gamepad controls. I'm gonna pick up a pistol. No. Just gonna melee them.
That's sick. Are you guys seeing this? That's so sick. So as you're playing, is there anything you can tell us about some of the other specifications? I know you got to keep a lot of things on the down low.
A lot of things are not determined yet, but for example, the screen resolution is 1280 by 800. It's a 10.1 inch screen. This one has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 3. In terms of the final product, we're actually gathering feedback right now with this kind of concept device. So if the gaming community really loves this, if they give us a lot of support, if they really demand it, we can launch a final product probably by the end of this year, and hopefully with Windows 8 on it. So that would make really a lot of sense, because Windows 8 is obviously designed for tablets and PCs. And then if we launch a final product, we believe that we can do it for less than $1,000 US. Oh, nice. All right.
So now, besides gaming, could you possibly use other applications as well, such as YouTube? And could this really replace mobile gaming as far as on a laptop for the gamers out there who are looking for that new experience?
Yes, it can. This is actually it has all the functionality of a tablet and is all the functionality of a laptop because it's running Windows 7 and eventually maybe Windows 8. So if you want to write emails, if you want to watch videos, you can do all that. So there's really no limitations. It's a laptop, it's a PC, it's a tablet. It's both.
I'll tell you, those iPad users are so jelly right now.
You can see I just had an achievement. So it's the real PC game. It's running off of Steam.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, we are going to develop the user interface for this. That's running on top of the Windows 7, and right now this is specifically programmed. The controls are programmed for this, but for the final product, it's just going to work right out of the box, and it lets you. On top of that, it lets you rearrange the controls if you want. So yeah, it's supposed to be really open. It's an open system. It's not closed at all. People are supposed to develop for it. People are supposed to hack into it and do whatever they see fit. Just like what you would do on a normal PC. It's
okay.
A PC platform.
This thing is incredible. I just want to sit here and watch you all play it all day. Are there anything, like, as far as externally that you can show us, as far as, like, is there going to be like an SD card reader or things like that?
Right now we have a USB port here. So if you go through the charger, there's a USB port here. But it's not set in stone yet. So the final product might look quite a bit different than this. In terms of what it can do, SD cards, we'll see. I'm just going to go to the UI real quick.
Okay.
Quit the game here. So this is kind of what it would look like, maybe. So you can kind of switch through from games to browser, to music, to video. You can also use your swiping gestures. Yeah.
That's so awesome. Dude, I don't even know what to say. Honestly, that is so sick. So basically you're telling me that if all the gamers support this product, you guys will make it.
Right. Absolutely.
Do you hear that, guys? Make it happen. This thing is so ridiculous. Well, thank you so much.
Glad you like it.
This is so awesome. I can't wait to see what else Razer has in store for us in the future. So for more CES coverage, make sure to stay locked right here on ProGaming.com.
Mission complete.